Hello, earlier on you probably recall, if you've seen my other videos, that I've made a video about the portable power bank battery. This battery is great for charging up your phone if you're away from home. It has two USB sockets there. One is rated at 1 amp, the other is rated at 2 amps, and it'll easily charge up a mobile phone such as an iPhone or any other mobile phone that requires quite a high current to charge. This will charge up about 7 to 8 times on a single charge of this, and it'll keep your phone going for several days. The only thing is, when you're out and about and you have no way of plugging that into your charger, whether you're charging it via your computer or via the mains, using this lead here, straight into USB wall socket or USB computer, if you're not got any of those with you, you're going to have problems charging it. Well, the next obvious solution is solar power. Now, you can buy portable power supplies with built-in solar panels, which enable you to charge the batteries up using the sun. The only problem is they don't have very high capacity batteries, and they're very low current, low powered solar panels, and it'll take several days to charge up a single charge of that device, which will only charge up your phone possibly once. So the idea with this is that it's got no solar power built in, just purely the battery, but then you buy your own separate solar panel. Now this one is this particular one's from Maplins Electronics. You can buy the same sort of versions, maybe a little bit cheaper, a couple of pounds cheaper, from eBay. It's actually rated at 7 watts, so it's a 6 volts solar panel, but rated at 7 watts. So in theory, this will charge up this device with full power in about 7 hours. This is a very small, compact, lightweight solar panel, and I'll give you a close-up in a second. But just to show you, you've got a string at the top there, you've got strings at the side of it there, and at the bottoms there, which means you can tie this to the back of your rucksack if you wanted to, or you could simply hang it up on a balcony of a hotel room, or whatever you wanted to do. It comes with a little pocket at the top there, which you can keep your spare leads in, such as the lead to this, or in fact the whole of the battery pack fits in there with the lead Velcro fastener. Now obviously it's a bit bulkier now, however it does hold them and it will keep them all neat in one go. So let's have a closer look at this and I'll show you some of the features of it. Okay, so a closer look. Here we are, the solar pack, 7 watts. It's a nice durable case. The whole construction of this is quite an impressive bit of kit. If you open it up like so, you can see you've got two 6 volt panels here. They're going to be wired in parallel to give you the extra current, which obviously is why you get up to 7 watts out of it. Now, if you look at the top flap here, it's actually got a Velcro covered pouch. It's got a little slit underneath here for your cabling to go into, and inside you'll see the USB socket. So the simple way of charging this is like so. Any device that requires a USB, you can plug it into here, and with direct sunlight it will charge. I've even plugged my iPhone using the lead that came with the iPhone straight into here instead of into the computer, left this out in the sun, and it has charged the phone just as quickly as it would have charged had it been inside the house plugged into the wall or the computer. That's all very good and well, providing that you're willing to leave your iPhone or the phone or device you have out in the sun. Personally, I'd rather not do so. I find it a lot more convenient to charge up a battery device very similar to this one, any device will do, purely by plugging in the ordinary power lead and then plugging that straight into there like so. Now when you've got lights, in fact it's even picking up lights now, it's indicating now even with this port light here, you see I've got the little lights lit up on the battery power to show that it's plugged in. There's not enough light here to charge this because, to be fair, it is 8:30 in the evening, and I've got a bit of natural daylight coming through, but very, very little. So just goes to show it does work once connected. If you wanted to leave this for a long period of time charged up, you could just push all the wiring in there, and that in there, and that. And you can leave that now outside, knowing that it's charging this battery up. If you wanted to, let's just rearrange this, you can bring the socket out like so. So, bit of a neater setup there. Either way, as long as it's plugged in and it's charging, it's going to do the job you want it to do. There's not much more to say about it than that. I've used this solar panel quite a few times to charge this up. In fact, I've only charged this device up twice in the house. I left it on charge all day a couple of days ago in the sun that we've had, and it's charged it more or less full. Because it's quite a high capacity battery, it's difficult to tell you exactly how long it takes and how many times it will charge your phone, because I've not had that much experience using it, charging this or charging via that. But either way, these panels do charge portable devices with ease. You just need to make sure you've got some sun. Like with most panels, if you haven't got direct sun, it will still charge. You don't need to have direct sun, but obviously the more direct the sun is, the faster you're going to charge your devices. So that's it. Solar pack, 7 watts. Quite a sturdy device. You still want to be careful with it though. So, another useful device, it's an energizer. This portable battery charger will charge either 2 AAA batteries or 2 AA batteries, depending on how you've got the little location switchy thing there. And the great thing about this is USB. So you can plug this straight into this power supply here, and that will now charge you up 2 AA's or AAA batteries. Alternatively, using the solar, if you're out and about, you can just plug it straight into there, and that will charge up your batteries as well. So a great all-rounder, this. You go away camping, you go on holiday, whatever you want to do, you can charge up your iPhone directly from there if you're on the sun. You can charge up any other batteries for your cameras in there, torches. The list is endless. Again, it's a device that I have used quite a few times, and with what I've done with it so far and the power that it's shown me that it can do and supply, I would recommend this. So once I've used it a few more times and had a bit more of a play, I will no doubt do another review. Any questions, please feel free to message me or email me, and I'll answer them best I can. Okay, thank you for watching.